Hello and welcome to this video. So today we are looking at this new phone case here. It's just arrived from Amazon. This is called the iCatchy phone case for the Motorola. It comes for the E20, the E30 and also the E40. So this is what it actually looks like out of the package. Now this was only £7.99 and they have this available in numerous colours. So they've got this in purple, blue, green and yellow. But for £8 I was pretty happy with this. Now we did a video yesterday where we were looking at the actual Motorola phone and then we just ordered this to go ahead and protect it for my son. So there is the case, and it also comes with this lovely little pen here as well. So if we have a look at this, we can see it's quite durable. It's got this ridged effect on the back. It's also as well, let's have a look at this. Let me just lift this up for a second. Okay, so here we go. It's got like a little clip here on the back so you can stand your phone up as well. So that'll be handy, you know, for like watching films and TV or YouTube or whatever basically. So yeah, you can see there, it lifts up. So it would go like that. Okay, so this is the purple version. So let's go ahead and get the phone in here. But feeling this, you know, it's very durable, you know, and for £8 it's pretty good. So let's go ahead and put our phone in here and see how well it actually fits. So I can see the phone's in there, all protected on the corners and everything. Pretty happy with that, to be honest with you. And then it comes with this pen as well, this iCatchy stylus pen. So let's have a look at this, see how well it works. So yeah, brilliant. Absolutely awesome. So yeah, it comes with this. So for £8, you know, I think it's pretty good. It fits really well. There's no sort of lag on this. There's no edges where it's not coming on there. And let me just double check the colours for you. So it comes with, yeah, we've got green, blue, yellow, hands-free viewing. Yeah, it's sturdy, accurate cutouts. And like I said, overall, for £8, or that's about, what's that, about $9, it's pretty good in there. It fits perfectly. There's nothing overhanging on the edges over here. But yeah, I think for my son especially, because this is his new phone, I think, well, hopefully, touch wood, he won't be able to go ahead and damage it really, because it's, you know, it's all protected and covered. But overall, for the price and for the phone, it works very, very well. So what I'll do is at the end of this video, I'll also link out to the actual review for this phone that we did. But you know, if you are looking for a relatively cheap phone case, I don't think you can go far wrong with this. And the fact it comes with this pen as well, which is absolutely free, pretty happy with that. So look, I'll drop a link to this down below. You can go ahead and check this out. As I've mentioned, it is available in many different colours. But yeah, pretty awesome. So I'll see you in the next one.